around 750 private patients treated by disgraced breast surgeon Ian Patterson will receive compensation from a new £27 million fund. Spire Healthcare has agreed to pay £27.2 million into the fund just weeks before it was due to be involved in a civil case involving around 750 patients. Around £10 million will be provided by co-defendants in the case, including Patterson's insurers. Patterson, of Altrincham, Greater Manchester, was jailed for 15 years for carrying out needless operations on patients, leaving them scarred and disfigured. His sentence was increased last month by the Court of Appeal to 20 years after the justices ruled the initial jail term imposed in May was unduly lenient. Spire Healthcare run private hospitals across the UK, including 2 in the West Midlands where Patterson worked and carried out the botched procedures between 1993 and 2012. Patterson, 59, was convicted by a jury of offences of wounding with intent and unlawful wounding against 10 patients. Emma Doughty, a specialist medical negligence lawyer from Slater and Gordon, which represents more than 100 of Patterson's victims, said, "No financial settlement will ever heal the physical and mental scars inflicted on our clients, but they are relieved that they have finally won their battle for justice." Even when Patterson was charged and then convicted earlier this year, Spire refused to countenance that they were responsible for his actions, despite his crimes taking place in their hospitals. As a result, his victims have faced a long wait not knowing whether they would be compensated for the pain he caused them. We are pleased that Spire has finally agreed to settle those cases, and importantly, we hope this settlement will send a message to other private healthcare providers that patient safety must be their priority. It is now crucial that all of the weaknesses in the private sector management, which allowed Patterson to do what he did for so long, are addressed and overhauled to reassure the public that something like this can never happen again. Thompson's Solicitors has been representing more than 500 of Patterson's patients, more than any other law firm, and has been working on the case for over 5 years.